Rajasthan Rent Control Act 2001, Chapter 2. So, hello students. Today we are going to do Rajasthan Rent Control Act 2001, and in this we will be covering Chapter 2. So in chapter 2, revision of rent is mentioned. So section 6 deals with the revision of rent. Section 6 states revision of rent in respect of existing tenancies. So according to this section, there is nothing notwithstanding anything that is contained in any agreement where the premises have been let out before the commencement of this act, then the rent thereof it will be liable to be revised according to the formula that is indicated below. So there is this formula that is indicated in this section. According to this, the rent will be there. So the first is where the premises have been let out prior to 1st January 1950. So if it is let out before this date, then it shall be deemed to have been let out on 1st January 1950, and the rent that will be payable at that time, it shall be liable to be increased at the rate of 5% per annum, and the amount of increase of rent shall be merged in such rent alter 10 years. So the amount of rent so arrived at shall again be liable to be increased at the rate of 5% per annum in similar manner up to the year of commencement of this act. Then, according to B, where the premises have been let out on or after the 1st January 1951, then the rent that is payable at the time of commencement of the tenancy shall be liable to be increased at the rate of 5% per annum, and the amount of increase of rent will be merged in such rent after 10 years, and the amount of rent that is arrived at shall again be liable to be increased at the rate of 5% per annum in similar manner up to the year of commencement of this act. Subsection 2 of section 6 is that notwithstanding that is anything contained in subsection 1 where the period of 10 years for merger of increase of rent under subsection 1 is not completed up to the year of the commencement of this act, then the rent at the rate of 5% per annum shall be increased up to the near of the commencement of this act. An amount of increase of rent shall be merged in rent. Then subsection 3. So the rent that is arrived at according to the formula that are given in subsection 1 and subsection 2, they shall, after completion of each year from the year of the commencement of this act, again be liable to be increased and be paid at the rate of 5% per annum, and the amount of increase of rent shall be merged in such rent after 10 years. So such rent shall further be liable to be increased at similar rate and be merged in similar manner till the tenancy subsists. So the rent that is revised as per formula that is given under subsection 1 or in under subsection 2, it shall be payable after the commencement of this act and from the date agreed upon between the landlord and the tenant, or where any petition is filed in rent tribunal from the date of filing of such petition. Then comes section 7. So, revision of rent in respect of new tenancies. So, in the absence of any agreement to the contrary, the rent of the premises that is let out alter the commencement of this act, and it shall be liable to be increased at the rate of 5% per annum. The amount of increase of rent shall be merged in such rent after 10 years, and such rent shall further be liable to be increased at the similar rate and merged in similar manner till the tenancy subsists. Subsection 2 is that any agreement for increase of rent in excess of 5% per annum shall be void to that extent. That's all. Thank you.